Hello, my friends. Welcome to English Daily Spark. Let me ask you a very honest question. Do you understand English, but when it is time to speak, your mind goes blank? You know the words? You understand movies. You understand videos. But when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. If this happens to you, you are not alone. Today, I will explain why this happens, and I will share simple, practical tips to help you start speaking English with confidence. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and practice speaking with me. Let's begin. Understanding English and speaking English are not the same skill. When you understand English, you are passive. You listen, you read. Your brain receives information. You do not need to respond. You do not feel pressure. But speaking is different. When you speak, you are active. You must think of words. You must organize ideas. You must pronounce sounds. And you must speak in real time. This is difficult, even for advanced learners. So if you understand English but cannot speak yet, this is normal. Many learners think their problem is grammar or vocabulary, but very often the real problem is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of sounding wrong, fear of being judged. Fear blocks your mind. When fear appears, your brain stops working smoothly. That is why your mind feels empty. The problem is not intelligence. The problem is confidence. Many learners practice English every day. They read grammar books, they watch English videos, they listen to podcasts, they write sentences. These are good activities, but one thing is missing. They do not use their voice. Speaking is a physical skill, like swimming, like dancing. You cannot learn it only by watching. You must speak out loud. Now, let me give you some simple tips to help you start speaking. Tip number one: do not wait for perfect grammar. Many learners say, I will speak when my grammar is perfect. But perfect grammar never comes first. Clear communication comes first. For example, yesterday I go to market. Is this perfect grammar? No. Do we understand the meaning? Yes, that is enough. Children speak like this. They make mistakes, but they improve. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with grammar. Speak first, polish later. Tip number two: learn phrases, not single words. Real English is spoken in phrases. Not just busy, but I'm a bit busy right now. Not just later, but let's talk later. These phrases are ready to use. When you learn phrases, you stop translating in your head. You sound more natural, more confident. Tip number three: speak to yourself. You do not need a partner. You do not need a teacher. You can speak to yourself at home, on a walk, in the car. Say simple things. I am making tea. I feel tired today. I need to work later. You can practice conversations alone. Speaking to yourself trains your brain. No pressure, no judgment. This builds confidence. Tip number four: use AI for practice. Today we have a powerful tool: artificial intelligence. You can practice English with AI. You can speak. AI responds. You can ask it to speak slowly. You can ask it to correct you. AI never gets tired. AI never judges you. This is safe practice. Use it every day. Tip number five: use the 4-3-2 technique. Choose one simple topic. Speak about it for 4 minutes, slowly and clearly. Then speak about it again for 3 minutes. Then speak about it again for 2 minutes. Each time your brain works faster. Your fluency improves naturally. Tip number six: use one sentence in many ways. Take one simple sentence. I went to the store. Change it. I went to the store yesterday. I went to the store to buy food. I should have gone earlier. This builds flexibility. This is real fluency. Remember this. You understand English. That means you are capable. Now you must use your voice. Speak every day. even with mistakes. If you want to improve, start today. Speak slowly, speak simply, speak daily. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to English Daily Spark for daily English practice and confidence building. See you in the next video.